So in previous video I showed how to use futures, async and await, and there is one important concept which you need to understand to create a production level applications. So the difference between await and then, here you can see that I have used both, but what's the difference between using await and using .then function? So here I have used await func, right? I'll show you the difference using this example itself. So first case I have used await func. So let's see the output. So start is called, then when this function is called, it's waiting, and when it is done, after that next statement is being executed. So when we use await, the code literally halts for this function to complete. Once it is completed, the remaining block gets executed. That's the functionality of await. But if we use .then, and we print value, let's print value of the value here inside. So I hope you are able to understand the code. I've used .then function. So when you use .then, it does not wait, the code does not halt, it immediately executes the next line. And whenever this function is completed, whenever, let's say 5, 10 seconds, 20 seconds later, after that this block will get executed. So let's just run this output and see the output. So immediately start was printed and immediately end was printed, and after that, and after this func1 returns a value from future, this then block gets executed. So that's the difference between await and .then. Awaits completely halts the code. .then expects a value in return in future. So that's the main difference. I hope you understand this video. See you in the next one.